Performance becomes critical as the application grows, and the big O notation helps you understand how collections behave under the hood. A list has O1 for appending to the end, but ON for inserting in the middle or searching. A dictionary gives O1 average time for adding and looking up items by key. HashSet also provides O1 for adding and checking existence. Arrays allow O1 access by index because of direct memory addressing. Linked list is O1 for inserting or removing at a known position, but ON for searching. Queue and stack have O1 for their main operations of enqueue, dequeue, push, and pop. Sorted dictionary performs operations in O log of n time because it maintains the sorted order. A simple guideline to follow is to use dictionary for fast lookups by key, list for ordered data with indexed access, HashSet for uniqueness checking, and linked list for frequent insertions and removals.